Welcome to Bo Kitchen. Today gonna make some sauteed chicken or ภาษาลาวเอิ้นออกไก่ I made some lemongrass, some dry chili, Thai chili. It's good for that. Let's make some like green onion because I don't have the sauce. I use this one instead. When I smash the lemongrass and onion, I put some salt a little bit, make more tasty. Let's mix chicken and the one I smashed some chili, dry chili, onions, and lemongrass together until well cooked. And then we can add some water in. Saute them. Almost ready. I can add some water, cup of water. Let's mix them until they're boiling. In the chicken well done, we can add some the vegetable we have. This is a vegetable. I'm gonna put my sauteed chicken or gai. We have zucchini, Thai eggplant, long green bean, and some Thai basil, the fresh Thai basil, and some ผักกาดเขียว or English they call green mustard. I love this one. I can put the last when I done everything. It's Thai eggplants. I so loving that for the or stir fry. Sauteed chicken. You can put anything you like for the green, for Thai eggplant or green bean. It's very good together. Now my chicken is cooked, almost ready. I can add some vegetable now. Hi guys, the chickens are well done cooked and vegetable have cooked. I don't like too long cooking my vegetable. I try to put my khao bua or rice soak overnight. I smash it and I can put over it. I like it. It's so good. And I'm gonna mix it until the rice khao bua well done cooked. Chicken's ready done. I can throw my vegetable in and basil everything and try to eat, guys. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more video coming up. Thank you.